Imagine a recipe of a stew which is gluten-free, it's dairy-free, can be loaded up with vegetables, extremely nutrient-rich, and you can actually make a wonderful meal of this. If you want to make it indulgent, you can also throw in some pasta or some cheese. This one is a Jamaican lentil stew. Let's begin. I'm sticking to the classic, I'm sticking to the original, and one of the key ingredients in this recipe also happens to be spring onion and Jamaican curry powder. Now, Jamaican curry powder, ladies and gentlemen, is nothing different. It is, if you want to make it at home, you can take a Madras curry powder or your curry powder and just add in a teaspoon of paprika to maybe a 2 tablespoons of curry powder. So, you can make this little recipe in your own home kitchens and get to that level of the Jamaican. Another thing which is very important in this recipe is the use of thyme. It brings in that wonderful thymol-like taste. If you do not have thyme, you can use oregano. If you have neither, you can take a little bit of carom seeds, ajwain seeds, just crush them a little and just sprinkle it like you would maybe garam masala or something like that. Let's begin for now. In a stock pot or an earthen vessel, let's add in oil and the flame on high at this point in time. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with chopped red onions. Along with this, some chopped carrots, red peppers, and spring greens. Allow this to sweat or saute for a couple of minutes, and then we'll start adding in the rest of the ingredients. To this now, let's add in the red lentils or masoor with, of course, its skin on, also known as poi lentils. We add this into the sauteed vegetables. Let's add in the rest of the ingredients, a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme, a Scotch bonnet or any spicy chili, Jamaican curry powder, salt as required, and finally, water. Let's give all of this a good mix, and then you whack the flame on a high for 5 minutes, allow it to roll boil, and then you turn it on a medium to low and allow it to simmer beautifully well for 20 to 25 minutes or till the lentils are perfectly well done. Now, while the recipe calls for a Scotch bonnet or any spicy chili really, in India you can use Bhut Jalakia, Raja chili. If you live in the Southeast Asia, you can also use maybe a bird's eye chili. Choice is completely yours. Allow this to cook 20 minutes, medium flame. Let's wait and watch. It's been 20 minutes and here you notice the water has considerably evaporated and absorbed at the same time. The poi lentils are also perfectly cooked. Here you see, they're beautifully getting mashed. At this stage, we add in some fresh spinach leaves, just stoned like so. Allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And while that is getting cooked, we'll also add in some coconut cream. And with this, off goes the flame. Maybe a touch of salt, maybe some more chilies for me and my taste, but again, both are completely subjective. With this, a Jamaican lentil curry or lentil stew is done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and see how uniquely different this recipe is over other stews from across the world. Now, this is one such stew where lentil is a hero. Nevertheless, you can add in more vegetables, you can really play with an array of vegetables, seasonal, and personalize the stew completely to your liking. This is me, Varun, signing off.